Alright, here we are, boys and girls, putting some of the final pieces together before we actually put together the casing and the parts for the modified Tesla turbine. So with the drive shaft, as you can see here, we had to do a little cutout trough. This has a name, but in order for it to be able to turn the rotors. So we slide them on, we built them. These are 1 millimeter thick with a 2 millimeter, which gives you an extra millimeter offset in the center for the vent holes for the turbine like that. So obviously, ultimately, we're going to build it into with the magnetic wheel through the Faraday effect to provide current. So this is just a regular axle with no rectangle driven through the middle, because the way that I built this originally, hindsight is always 20/20, but the drive shaft fits into the oval part, which is great. It will eventually wear down, so I've got to put a wedge in the top and a wedge in the bottom just to keep it centered so it continues to run, since this middle cut is an oval. So I wanted to put this together and see how it worked with the magnets and spinning them, obviously in a ball bearing. And although my timing is off, which we have an answer for later on, this wheel spinning will create current with the Faraday effect and spin it. So this is one part of the modification. This is gonna come out. I'll move these so you guys can see how the other parts fit. So that's the cylinder with the magnetic wheel. Not a huge deal, but it's going to come into big play later on. So this is an offset that goes into the ball bearing. When that goes into the ball bearing, this will be the actual Tesla turbine version. And it's very tight, so I've got some stress, unnecessary stress, because I made the cut pretty much exact. So maybe a little bit of sanding down. I'll give it a little bit of room to get rid of that flex. So as the air pocket comes into the casing, it'll turn these discs, turns into the airflow into rotational force, turns it, and there you have it. More to come, guys. Just want to give you a quick update. There you have it. And we're well on our way, and I anticipate all the parts to be printed and done and ready by later this week. Thanks so much for watching. More to come. Talk to you. Bye.